How to return a book on Audible. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you learn how you can return a book on Audible, and this is how to go about it. First step is to visit the Audible website and then sign in into your account just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in into your account, you'll be brought to your account page. Then move to the right side of the screen where you can see your name. Hi, Deborah. Your name can be different depending on your name. Then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select account details. By selecting account details, you'll be taken to your account page. On this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, scroll up and then click on purchase history to see a list of your purchased ebooks. By clicking on purchase history on this page, you will see all of your purchased ebooks being displayed here. Once you can see that, the next step is for you to select the book that you would like to return. So next to the book on this page, just move to the right side of the book. Next to it, you'll see the option return this book. All right, you see the option return this title. Okay, sorry, return this title button. Click on that button, and then by clicking on the button, you would have to select the reason for your return from the options provided. Select your reason, then click the return button again to confirm. Then you'll receive a confirmation email once the return is successful, and then your refund would be processed. So this is how to go about it. So find your way to your purchase history, select the book that you'd like to return. Next to it, click on return this book button, and then you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.